Hey, my name's Brent and you're watching Steam Culture. I'm glad you're here. You know, with the invention of the steam engine, a lot of industries were launched, including the commercial laundry. In fact, the commercial steam laundry, as you see these pictures, popped up everywhere throughout America and Great Britain. Now, before that, everyone, of course, did their laundry on their own and hung it outside, and in the country, it was beautiful. You could hang it on the hedgerows, as you see this lady here hanging her laundry. But in the cities, you hung your laundry in between the apartments and all that, and with all the mechanization and industrial revolutioning going on, we had smokestacks and pollution falling on clothes. As the white-collar worker was gaining strength, somebody needed to do that laundry because there was also a shortage of water in the cities. So boom, here comes the steam laundry. Now, the steam laundry also began doing a lot of linens and towels and surgical stuff for hospitals and hotels. So that whole industry just started to blow up. Now, the steam engine was used to drive the washing machines, and the boilers were used to heat the water and run the large steam presses that were in the facility. So the steam laundry also found itself in the center of a lot of women's rights issues at the time, because the steam laundries were owned by men and the entire workforce was women. And apparently the men at the time weren't very sympathetic to the needs of women workers. Shocker. So they found themselves in a lot of issues there. Now, steam laundries grew and grew and grew until, like many things, along came a new invention. So the electric washing machine that would now go in your house was invented, and then steam laundries started to dwindle down. So maybe you knew about steam laundries in the Industrial Revolution, but if you didn't, you do now because you watch Steam Culture this week. So thanks for joining me. Go out and Google steam laundries, and while you're there, Google us, because we'll have content for you each and every week. I have enjoyed you being here, and I will work on something for you next week. Now go do your laundry.